I've always had a huge interest in horses especially. I'd love to do veterinary medicine, maybe an equine veterinarian, and I'm pretty sure that there are ways and means about going through that through Coolmore. So I'd like to come here today to figure that out.
I would probably have an interest maybe in the media side of it or the marketing. I just find it would suit me best.
And would you like to stay working locally in Tipperary?
I definitely would. I don't think travelling would be for me, like travelling to work, and I think working in Tipperary and locally, it definitely is non-optional to me, like it's a must.
I suppose we're here today because 2 years ago ourselves and Coolmore kind of joined up for a joint collaboration, just to show kids in the area that they don't actually have to go to Dublin or London or New York for these high-flying jobs. You know, these high-flying jobs are at their doorstep, and we want to keep the kids here because they want to stay here. And it's so important for the school, for the GAA, for just the social fabric that the kids, stay in the local area. It's so important to rural Ireland.